You kept saying tomorrow, and suddenly the whole year was gone. If today you still keep scrolling, still waiting, then next year will be exactly the same. Same excuses, same habits, the same version of you that feels disappointed every night. You want to change, but the real question is, how do you start? Life doesn't change when you announce your plans. Life changes when you disappear and quietly build your next version in the shadows. Let's do this properly. Step 1. Disappear. Stop talking about your plans. Stop explaining yourself to everyone. Every time you talk, your energy leaks away. From now on, stay silent. Work in silence. Let your results speak later. Remove this thought from your mind forever. What will people think about me? People are not thinking about you as much as you think. Your future self matters the most. Ask only one question every day. Will my future self be proud of what I did today? If the answer is yes, you are on the right track. Step 2. Hide your plans. During transformation, big dreams appear. You feel excited. You feel like sharing, but don't. Every time you reveal your plan to someone, your chances of achieving it drop. Share only when necessary. Ask only the right people for advice. Protect your dreams while they're growing, and do not show off your progress. No body transformation pictures, no income screenshots, no fake motivation posts. Stay low-key, stay silent, stay focused. Step 3. Transformation. Decide who you want to become. Write it clearly. Keep it where only you can see it. Now build your life around that goal. Every day, every hour must move you forward. Learn skills, create routines, track your progress. Week by week, month by month. In the beginning, silence will feel uncomfortable. No applause, no validation, just you and your work. Then one day you realize you don't need to return. Peace becomes your reward. You become disciplined. You become unshakable. Disappearing is not running away. Disappearing is choosing focus over noise. Type in the comments, I choose to disappear and rebuild. Not for others, but as a promise to yourself. Your future self is waiting. Start now.